Okuma LNC8 Cadet, built 1996, has very low hours, good shape, nice quiet hydraulics.
Some holders. Okay, go ahead and move that a bit. That seems to run smooth without much noise. All I can hear is the way cover clicking a little bit. There's a shot of the tail stock.
Jog the spin.
Are you just jogging it there?
Yeah.
We don't know how to change the speed, but we had that going when an Okuma tech was here. Do the chuck jaws. I can't really see them, but were they opening and closing? Yeah. What size is the chuck on that? 8 inches?
This I believe is an 8-inch.
8-inch, okay. Can you get to the screen with the hours on it?
Yeah.
It's an OSP 7000L control. I don't know if you can read that, but let's try it.
We got 6,262 operating hours, 4,700 cutting, 23,119 total running time.
That's it. The machine's good. This little cover on the left is a piece of sheet metal. It was missing. We never got it. Not a big deal. Let's look in the electrical panel now. Here's the back panel open. It's all real clean in there. Look at that. Here's the very clean. Jason, open that box and let's see what's in that. There you go. It's got a bunch of books.
Parts book. Parts capture book.
That's good.
Instruction manual.
Yeah, so there's a set of books. There's the whole electrical diagram. Here's all the data cards and the, what you call it, parameter disc. We got this from a guy, a really small company. The guy bought it new and used it himself. This is the back side of the machine. The hydraulic unit. It's pretty clean back here. We had that wiped off, but it's good. Doesn't make any noise. It's actually running right now. Lube pump. This is in the back side of the machine. It's actually pretty clean. It's not all full of junk. There's a transformer and it's on What does that say?
240.
240 volts.